Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. On the bench today we have the Amazon commercial model number 80CM800 AC True RMS clamp meter. This meter hit the market around 2020. That's when I received it from Amazon, brand new. This meter, that's when Amazon started. They may have started a little bit sooner, but that's when I received it. Now, this meter has been sold by other manufacturers on the market. This meter has been rebranded from a company called SIM. A lot of you may never have heard of SIM, but those of you who have, you know what I'm talking about. You see SIM nowadays over, everybody's rebranding other people multimeters nowadays. SIM is like companies like SIM, Apple. There's one more I'm looking for. One more company that a lot of companies, they're like the Walmart or the department store for these companies nowadays. They go in and shop and just get them to make multimeters or test instruments for them, and they just rebrand it. And this is no different. Amazon, they got, I guess, these people to make them, well, not guess, they got these people to make them some multimeters, and they put their name on it. And I can't hold them accountable. I can't say that what they're doing is wrong, because everybody's doing it nowadays. Well, anyway, but back to this multimeter, this clamp meter, I should say. I've been having it for like 2 years, and a little bit over 2 years. I've done a review on it once before, and this is a more revised version of the multimeter. I won't go really in depth about it. I just give my pros and cons. Again, I'll tell you basically all the features of this multimeter. What was on this clamp meter. Okay. Anyway, this clamp meter here, it has a lot of features for the homeowner. If you're a do-it-yourselfer around a home, this meter could be for you. But if you're a professional, I would not touch it. I would not touch it. I wouldn't. It's very cheap. It was on sale for like $44, maybe $50, something like that. But I wouldn't touch it. As a professional, my opinion, I wouldn't want to touch it doing work around the home. Now, that's just my opinion. It's okay to disagree with what I said, guys. That's no problem. Just giving you my opinion. Some of you may think this meter is a hell of a meter. That's okay. It has a lot of features. And that's still okay. But for me, as a professional, no, I wouldn't. The far as it goes is right here on this bench. Now, if I'm at home and I need a quick measurement, yeah, I'll do that right quick. Do that with it. But I wouldn't go testing no main voltage with it. I wouldn't. A regular 120 volt outlet. Yeah. Other than that, no, I wouldn't trust it. Go check out my other video that I've done on this meter, and you'll see kind of why. I did a video where I opened it up, and I showed you the internal parts and components, and it just didn't sit well with me. But anyway, let me move on about this meter. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer, and we'll look at some of the features, and I'll tell you some more things about the meter. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in now. Okay, let's start up here. It has volts AC. It also has hertz on that selection right here, and it had the VFD, and I'm the VFD measurement right here. Above it is the voltage DC. Above that is continuity. And continuity and diode. Above that is capacitance test with resistance. Above that is temperature, 60 amps AC into 600 amps AC. You also have a working flashlight. You have a non-contact voltage detector up here. You have you have a button on the side right here, which is a hold button. I'm pointing on the side, and that's also the button for the flashlight that comes out of the top. Down at the bottom and right here, the red button to the right here, as you see, this is that's for the backlight. Now, the backlight is very bright. I really like that black backlight. That backlight is better than some of the backlights that I see on some of the meters that cost twice as much as this one. And just like you see it here on the camera, that's how it looks in person. So it's a very, very nice backlight. Anyway, the screen, the digits, nice and large enough that you can see it. I don't have no problem at all viewing anything on the screen. The soft keys, the range button, the middle button is for when, remember up here when I showed you the voltage selection right here, you can select that voltage by coming down here, press that button, that'll put you in that mode to use this meter. The next one is the inrush hold. That's when you're doing amperage reading. You see the bottom right here. It tells you the name, the model number, all about the clamp meter. It's rated Cat 2, 1000 volt, Cat 3, 600 volt. The jack input, the probe, the inputs are underneath here, underneath the bottom. The meter is very cheaply made. I know you may look at it and all the bells and whistles that's giving you for $44 or maybe $50. No, something is wrong. And I'm telling you, I'm holding it in my hand as a professional. It looks like it has a rubber molding on the side. This is hard plastic. But it's hard plastic, it's not rubber. It's hard plastic. The whole meter itself is cheaply made. Again, I'm just giving you my honest opinion about it. I'm doing a video, and some of you may ask, well, why do a video on it? Why not? Why not? You know, if it don't help you, it may help somebody. Okay, so again, the meter, the test leads that come with it, just like I tell you about the meter, the test leads are also not, just like the meter, it's nothing. Now, I'm not saying Amazon don't put out some good products. The meters that they rebrand. I have a meter a multimeter that I got from Amazon, and it's very high quality. In fact, the same people who made this meter, for them CM, they made the same meter for Amazon, and it's a graphical multimeter, and it's very high quality. So, but anyway, this meter here, no, that's even though it's cheap and that price do look attractive. I have better things to spend $40, $50 on than something like this. So I'm trying to, if you trust what I say, take my word for it. Put a few more pennies with the money you have and go out and buy you something decent. This is not worth it. I don't care if they have this for $20 and you're a professional, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I wouldn't. Anyway, let me see what else. Oh, I'm gonna tell you some things about it too. What else it has? Another, just a bell or whistle. Is it goes. Let's say it's a 600 amp. You know that. It's AC. It's an AC/DC. I don't see that on there. Amperage. Nope. Yeah. But anyway, we know it's true RMS. And it's a 6,000 count clamp meter. Go figure that out. But that's common these days, for you to run across test instruments like this, and with all the bells and whistles, and it costs you $12. You think you're getting a bargain? You're really not. Because when you're dealing with electricity, as some of you know, and we won't stay in the subject long, your life is on the line. So you want to get the best instruments out there. Now, anyway, enough said about it. My opinion is I would not touch it. If you hadn't bought one already, stay away from it. That's all I'm telling you. Just stay away from it. Don't touch it. And I want to thank you guys for letting me take up your time, and thank you guys for tuning in. So, it helps us support the channel, guys. Help support the channel, help the channel grow. Hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell that's on the side of the word subscribe. leave a comment, because I love reading your comments. Other people do also. Share the video if you like, and hit the like button. All of that is for free. So again, I thank you, and I welcome you back here again when I make another video. But until then, you guys stay safe out there. Later.